So before you purchase this adapter, you have to make sure your car is capable. So you're gonna come to here on your Tesla software, and here says additional information. You click additional vehicle information that will tell you that if your CCS adapter support is enabled. So if you got your car after 2020 third season, your car should be CCS adapter support enabled. Make sure your car have this before you purchase adapter.
Hello, this is a review of the Harumio CCS1 adapter. I'm not sure about the quality. I mean, you can see the kind of 3D printed sort of kind of look. A charge station for, we've been driving for about 3 hours now, or maybe 4. So the battery is pretty much preheated already. And so yeah, I guess I'm gonna know at the end how much it cost me.